Hey, Andre, where are we?
We are at the Detroit airport, dude.
And what are we doing in Detroit?
We're here to pick up our F-150 Lightning.
Yeah, you ordered it right when the configurator went online.
Yeah.
And we are here to go road trip it all the way back to Colorado.
Be careful, we're on we're in the escalator. So yeah, when it made its debut, I reserved it, then we ordered it. It's been a year and a half, like you said. Finally, it's time. I cannot wait to see it.
And if you guys have been watching our videos, you know that we traded the TRX in on it. Very sad moment. But now we get to pick up the new truck. And we want to be the first to road trip it across America. We want to be the first to Ike it. And we want to be the first. Well, show them your shirt, Andre, after we get off the... What does it say?
Right there, Northern Lightning trip to Alaska.
Yeah, we want to be the first to actually drive it to the furthest part in North America, furthest location, right, which is Prudhoe Bay.
Yes.
All right, so let's get a Uber or Lyft over to the dealership.
Yep.
And let's go check out our new truck. What color is it? Don't tell them. We'll surprise you.
Okay.
All right, Andre, 15 minutes in the lift, and we're picking up our new Lightning.
But dude, this is exciting news. I just got a text from Grant, our marketing manager.
What does Grant have to say?
He says that we have a new sponsor for the F-150 Lightning series.
And pray tell, who's that?
Magna, dude.
Magna. Thank you, Magna. That's a big company, and I'm really happy to hear that, Andre, because it's expensive driving an electric truck all the way to Prudhoe Bay. But why do you think Magna is a good fit?
Well, it's a perfect fit because they make many components for every vehicle on the road, and not just components, but also technologies and motors. In the F-150 Lightning, they make the battery enclosure and part of the frunk.
All right. Well, thank you, Magna. If you guys are interested in learning more about Magna, just click on the link below to their YouTube channel. And Andre, I think we are getting close, so can't wait to reveal the color.
Let's see it. For the blue sign. I don't know. The lift map couldn't find it for some reason. Yeah, we're going to the dealer. Thank you. Yeah.
Are you looking for a truck, Andre?
I'm looking for a truck, Roman. I'm specifically looking...
Here, right? Yes, right here, yes.
I'm specifically looking for a F-150 Lightning, Roman. Do you see anything?
No, that one had an exhaust pipe on it. It was the wrong color.
Stop here.
That's perfect, yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I guess they're going to make us look for it.
Yeah, let's go look for it. All right, we are here at the Ford dealership.
Village Ford.
Village Ford, right?
Yep.
And we are exploring, hopefully to try to find our truck.
Well, you know the problem is, Roman, they have multiple blue colors.
Yeah.
I just kind of gave it away, didn't I?
Yeah, so we don't know which one, right? There's like the light blue, the medium blue, and
the dark blue.
Yeah, the
antimatter
blue, yeah. Well, that's, we're not
so
buying
I think it's this color.
Well, we're not buying an Explorer. Nor a Bronco, we have one of those already, so. Huh. They actually have trucks on the lot, which is pretty cool. Well, shall we go ask the salesman or the guy inside?
Yeah, let's go inside.
Yeah, because
I don't see it.
No, I don't see it either. Maybe they put it inside. This is exciting, Andre.
This looks kind of like an old school building. It's kind of cool.
You know, it's funny flying. How many miles is it back to Colorado?
So it's just under 1,300 miles.
All right.
For our driving.
So flying 1,300 miles to buy a truck may seem crazy, but that's kind of the world we live in right now. Look, they have a GT here too. Look at that, wow. Can we take that one back?
Yeah, I would like to.
That would use a little bit more gas.
Well, it's not electric, but
it's beautiful though, look at
good.
That. Looky there. Holy cannoli.
Hello. Yeah. Hey, Joe?
Andrew.
Oh, Andrew.
Yeah.
Oh, Andrew, I'm sorry.
Hey, Andrew.
In the dealership.
I'm Roman, nice to meet you.
Hey, Roman.
You're on camera, so.
Hey, Roman.
Hey,
hey,
can we take that one instead?
Yeah, there you go. Well, welcome to Village Ford. This is my dealership. So Joe is your guy back here.
Can we find Joe here?
Yeah.
Hey, thanks for meeting us here, Andrew.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, appreciate it.
And then I'll check with you guys afterwards.
Where's the truck?
I guess it's back in a second as well.
It's down here.
Oh, sweet.
Let me go look at the truck.
Yeah,
You mind if
let's
I
go this way.
hold on? I want to see the truck first. I'm going to leave my stuff here.
Yeah, I got it.
All right, thanks, Andrew.
Yeah.
All right, let me go look at the truck. We're super excited.
Can we just leave it here?
I'm
Oh,
gonna put it at this guy's desk over here.
Yeah, but we want to see the truck. Is it outside?
No, it's down
Oh,
here.
it's in the hall. Oh, the truck is down at the end of the hall. I like your hair, by the way.
Yeah, I'm just gonna leave this up front.
So cute.
Yeah, it's right down there at the end.
All right, let's go down there.
sweet. Yeah, let's
And that's
let's.
Joe right there.
How you doing,
Hi, Joe.
guys?
Hey,
Joe.
hey, Joe. Roman, nice to meet you, dude.
Nice to
Meet
meet
you.
you.
Yeah,
Andre.
you're on
Nice
camera.
to meet you guys. Awesome. Hello.
Hello. We're so excited.
We wanted to capture all of this.
I couldn't sleep last night.
Well, that's awesome. That's awesome. Well, welcome to Village.
Oh, great. Are you gonna sleep in the truck when I drive, Roman?
We've got 25 hours together, Andre.
Oh, dude, it's right there.
Oh, look at that. So there's the color. I love that color. It's kind of Ford blue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this has been a very
Atlas.
popular color.
Atlas, dude.
Atlas,
Goes,
huh?
it goes well with the trim on the Lightning too, because it's got all the nice blue around the Lightning badge too. But
Sweet. This is the key, dude.
one
Look.
for each of you.
Yes, thank you. Pop open the front, Andre.
Yeah, pop the front.
Yeah, pop the front. This is what makes
Make
it
a
so
power
cool.
front.
You can use it. You can do it on the key.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yep.
From the key. Look at that. I'm not writing in there.
But, by the way, Roman,
What?
this mechanism,
Yeah.
Magna.
Oh, Magna.
Magna.
Makes, okay,
Yes.
You guys know Magna?
Yeah,
Yes,
they're
we
sponsoring
do.
our video
Awesome.
series.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
great. Well,
Yeah,
hello
yeah.
to Magna.
Yeah. So this guy is going to go all the way up to Alaska.
Yeah, are you guys going there right now, or are you stopping in Colorado?
We're stopping. No, not. We're going there next month.
Okay.
So we got to do some shakedowns. We have to actually go to California first, and we're going to put a camper on it as well.
Okay.
Yeah. So we
awesome.
want to do a bunch of firsts, right? So we want to be the first to road trip it. Probably somebody done that already, but on camera.
Oh, publicly.
Yeah, we want to be the first to hike it. We want to be the first to put a camper on it. We want to be the first to drive it to the farthest place north in Alaska.
Perfect.
A first to really test it off road. So
We'll have
we're,
to ask Ford, have they had a Lightning up in Alaska yet?
Well, for testing.
for testing, I bet.
Testing,
Yeah, I
and we've
bet you.
had it on the TFL trucks Ike Gauntlet
Okay.
for
Yeah.
testing, but nothing that I don't think customers have gotten it up in Alaska just yet.
So yeah, Ford actually did a lot of the routes that we sometimes do as well.
Yeah.
So, but I want to do it myself too.
Well, the trick is going to be going from Fairbanks, right, to Prudhoe Bay. That's where it's going to get interesting.
Yeah.
And we're working really hard to
What's
figure
the
out.
mileage between those two places?
It's 500 miles.
Okay.
And there's one stop. It's a town
And
called
you guys have
Coldfoot.
scouted a charger in between?
We're working on it.
Yeah. Are you guys going to go up there with just the truck, or are you going to have a chase vehicle with you?
Ford has given us a hybrid with
Okay.
onboard Pro Power.
Okay.
So in case of an emergency,
Yeah, you
we
can
can
charge.
we can charge the
The Ford can charge a Ford.
Ford exactly. So that's
And
going
any Teslas that you might find on the way, too.
to be the backup plan. So Andre, you want to do a quick walk around?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, take a look at it.
So-
Have you driven the Lightning yet?
No, I have not.
He has not driven it. I got to go on the program.
How did this happen? I'm the managing editor of the truck channel. Roman has driven it. Nathan on our team has driven it.
Yes.
I haven't driven it yet.
Yeah, well,
So-
now is your chance, dude.
Let
So,
them drive it first?
Yeah, hell yeah, of course. Of course.
so this
He
we got.
configured it.
I configured it. So we got a Lariat. So we couldn't decide at first. Pro, the base one, XLT, Lariat, Platinum. We couldn't quite decide. Finally, well, I knew a couple things, right? I wanted a larger battery because we needed to go far.
Yep.
I wanted to tow, so we needed to get the extra, maximum towing package as well. And then everything else was just bonus. And we also wanted to be first. So all those things combined to get this model.
So what's the range, Andre? You should know that.
320 miles.
Okay, and how about horsepower and torque?
I know everything, Roman.
Okay.
580 horsepower. So Ford initially said 562, I believe, or 563, and then later they have updated it to 580. Look at the screen, dude.
I know, it's enormous, isn't it? Look at that. Oh my gosh. And it does a lot of cool things. For instance, I believe, does this seat fold all the way flat? Is it? No. Oh, so we don't have that. Oh, we don't have the.
Oh, is that because you wanted to sleep, Roman?
Well,
Oh,
You can't sleep and drive.
it's a good point. You can't sleep and drive.
Not yet, at least.
but it may have Blue Cruise, Roman.
Does it have Blue Cruise?
It may have Blue
It has
Cruise.
Blue Cruise, yeah. We'll definitely use Blue Cruise on the way home.
Because we need a little bit of help, to keep us on the
So
straight
who
and
says I
narrow.
can't sleep and drive? Oh, it probably watches
It's
your eyes.
monitoring you.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what do you think, Andre?
Oh man.
It smells. It's got that new truck smell.
Oh my gosh, it has the leather smell. It has a new truck smell. It's leather. trimmed steering wheel.
It's got a lot of bells and whistles.
You know what? I can fire this up
Yeah,
because there's no exhaust.
Yeah, fire it up, man. Yeah, exactly. Look at that.
Am I saying it correctly? Fire it up? Because
You can power it up.
Okay,
Power it up.
Power
yeah.
it up.
I power
Okay.
it up, yeah. So why don't you show them some of the kind of cool features that we have? Is this thing charged up, by the way? We were wondering
Look at
about-
this.
Yeah.
100%.
Thank you very much for doing that. Yeah. Yeah.
This is sweet. Very, very sweet. Okay.
Okay.
So huge 15.5-inch display.
Yep.
The latest sync system. It's got brake controller. Let me show you guys.
Wahoo! We'll be towing with it.
Brake controller, trailer backup assist. We've got power outlets, of course, galore, because this is a Lariat, so it has a lot of options, including the panoramic sunroof. Like we said, Blue Cruise as well.
Yeah, and it's not inexpensive, right? We end up paying about $81,000 for it.
Yes. Yes. So it's not a $40,000 one.
No.
I want to see the bed.
Yeah, why don't you show them the cool part? Which
Dude, look at this. I didn't know this. They have a light on the step.
Yeah, why don't you show them where the power is, because that's going to be pretty useful, actually.
So in the back here, it's a 7.2 kilowatt system, very similar to the hybrid F-150. So let me walk over on this side. So you do have all your, including your 30 amp, 240 volt outlets, and also your regular household outlets as well. So there's 7.2 here, 2.4 kilowatts up front in the front, 9.6 altogether.
It should be, it's powered, yeah. Yeah, if you want to use a key.
I left the keys inside the truck.
Yeah.
I'm so excited, sorry.
Yeah. And then, of course, because it's one of the higher trim levels, you get this.
You got the big LED bar.
Yeah, you get the big LED bar around the side. Yeah, and then one of the cool things is I think you have power outlets for charging on both sides.
So let's open the front again.
Yeah, let's open the front.
No, this is a stylistic thing.
Oh, so this one doesn't work?
Yeah, no,
Okay.
this one doesn't open.
See, he knows
so
more about it than I do.
it's a stylistic thing. Well, I'm the managing editor of truck.
Yeah, he knows a lot. I'm very impressed.
You can open up the front again?
Okay,
Pop it open.
I know some things, but I can't wait to drive it. Let's see. All right, works with a key too.
And more power in here as well. So we've got more power right there.
Yeah, so the outlets on this side, including USBs. This is, you know how big this is? 14.1 cubic feet, 400 liters.
Which is probably good for, what, 2 golf bags if we're using the old method of
look,
judging size?
we have our charger cable, which
That's
is
good,
important.
yeah.
Which is very important.
Yep.
This volume is almost like a sedan, like a Ford Fusion or like a Toyota Camry would have a similar volume in the front, in its trunk. So, and you have this lockable here in the front, which is cool.
And yes, two golf clubs right there. There's the little Easter
that's
Oh, look at that.
yes. So that's how you know.
Any other Easter eggs that we should know about?
There's a few, yeah, there's,
Oh,
if you
some
look
other
right
Easter eggs.
here,
Yeah.
this is a little ode to Ford's OG EV way back when in 1913.
Oh, wow. So that was like, was that before the Model T? This
I
little
don't know
guy?
if it was before
Yeah.
or during. Eleanor Ford,
Well, that's pretty cool.
I'm sorry, Claire Ford used to have it at the estate where she would ride it around the Henry Ford estate every now and then.
Okay.
And then that is right back in here as well.
Oh, there we
The
go.
little QR code.
Yeah, there's another one of those. Yeah.
Ford charging website.
It's a little dark here. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, yeah. And then
and
your
of course,
DC,
yeah.
yeah. And then this, I think it's like a Mach-E, right? It lights up when you're charging it to give you an
Kind of the status, right?
Yeah, to give you an indication of how much charge is in it. And of course, we got the Aero wheels.
These are 20s.
Yeah, they're 20s.
Yeah.
And one of the things we are hoping to do is, before we go to Alaska, swap out the tires. We're going to go a little bit more aggressive, a little bit more AT tire. So we're going to have to see what that does to range. I suspect it's not going to be anything good, but you know, if you're going to Alaska and you're going up on the Dalton Highway, you are going to be going on dirt. So it'd be nice to have.
And you're going
Even though when I went on the program, we took those tires into the dirt and they did really well.
off-road.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm wondering if the microphones are still working with all the electronics are still
We'll find out.
are still running on the truck.
Yeah.
So
Can you close it too remotely?
yeah. So we picked this color. Why did we choose blue, Roman? Because we usually choose red.
Because our last color was red, so we wanted to mix it up a little bit.
Yes.
Yeah, we wanted
Yes.
to go with something different.
So it also has, of course, the LED bar up front.
You know, this is the interesting thing that Ford did, right? At least right now, instead of making it look different, you know, Ford built a truck that looks very similar to a regular F-150. So, you know, if you don't know that it's got this unique lighting pattern, you probably would think that this is a regular F-150 going down.
Especially from the side.
Yeah, and you compare that to like the Cybertruck, which is, you know, something completely crazy, or even the Rivian, which has this really unique lighting pattern on the front, or the Hummer EV. And I think that was a smart decision. I think a lot of customers, you know, feel comfortable with the design, and it makes them feel like they're just going to the next vehicle in the next lease versus like, you know, completely changing the way that they're using their trucks. So let's talk about some more numbers. Towing.
Yes, so towing will be up to 10,000.
Okay, good.
Let me look at the payload sticker.
let's look at the payload sticker.
I haven't seen that yet.
Yeah. How big's the battery? 130 kilowatt hour?
About 131-ish.
131? Yeah. So that was close.
Oh, dude, this is cool. Look at this. 1,686 pounds of payload, which is really great, actually, because my hybrid, for example, has about 1,700 pounds.
Yeah, so considering
very
it
similar.
weighs, you know, 7,000 pounds because it's got a lot of battery, that's really good to have that much payload.
Totally.
Totally, yeah.
So we can put a small camper, well, that comes later, right? And still have the people in the truck.
Oh, look, and here's Monroney. So there's our Monroney. So it was 8,849.
80, yeah, 80.
You
said
80,000, yeah. It was 8,000, that'd be great. 80,000.
It's a deal, thank you.
And Ford still qualifies for the 7,500 credit, right?
It should, yeah, it should. At least my app said that.
Yeah, so subtract that from the cost. And then let's look at the MPGE.
Yeah, so miles per gallon equivalent is 70 combined, 78 city, 63 highway. We'll be doing a lot of highway, so it's probably going to be...
We can test that, yeah.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how that goes. So, and as you can see, we have group 511A, and it is $10,000, and it has many different things kind of bundled into it, including, of course, the panoramic roof, like we showed you. Onboard scales. Oh, dude, onboard scales.
Yeah, that's cool.
So it will know exactly how much payload we have.
Yeah.
Or, you know, estimate it. So, wow.
All right, well, I think it's time to share with them one other thing, but let me just cut this for a sec. Hey, Andre, you know this, but these guys don't. We want to take you along with us on this trip to Alaska, so we're going to be geocaching some little goodie bags for you with the T-shirts that say, of course, Northern Lightning, Amps to Alaska. And then we've also made some really cool TFL belt buckles and then some other swag from some of our sponsors. So the first geocache, we're going to make it very simple. We're just going to leave it here at the dealership. So go see, what was his name again? I forgot.
Joe.
Joe. Go
at
see
Village
Joe.
Ford.
Yeah, go see Joe at Village Ford. Sorry, Joe. And first one to get here gets the shirt and the belt buckle and the swag. And just let us know. Send us an email if you pick it up so that we can post it to our social media so that other people don't come here and try to pick it up. So if you're first, take a picture, put on the T-shirt, send it to us, and then we will let people know that the first geocache has been gone, but we'll do more along the way. The other thing we're going to be doing is we've got stickers for every state we're hitting, so we're going to be putting stickers on the truck to commemorate every state that we're driving through. So what do you think? Over here, Andre?
I think on the side, yeah.
Yeah, it even matches. How cool is that, huh? Blue on blue. Yeah, so that's the first one. Next one is Illinois, followed by Iowa, followed by Nebraska. We've done all this.
Followed by Colorado.
Hey, come on over here, Joe. So we said we're going to give you the geocache, so people come here, ask for you, and then you'll give the box. Yeah,
I can't wait to meet the first person who gets here. That's going to be awesome.
Yeah. Good. All right, Andre. So how are we getting home? What's the route?
Well, first of all, I'm going to connect my Ford Pass app with the VIN.
Okay.
So everything is connected. We're getting on the highway. We're going to the fastest route possible.
All right. So how many hours?
25-ish.
All right. So let's make that the next video in the series, and we'll geocache another goodie box. So guys, come on back next time when Andre and I find out what it's like to road trip a Ford F-150 Lightning. We're going to find out what the top charging speed is, the charging curve. We're going to see how far we can actually get, and we're going to see what it's like to go across country. 1,300 miles, right?
Yeah, let's go. So let's get on the road, dude. Come on.
All right,
let's go.
We're burning daylight.
Okay.
All right, come on back. Thanks for watching. Remember, check out alltfl.com because we're going to also be posting news and views and videos along the way to some of our other channels. So see you soon. Bye.
Thanks.